Some TPT sellers constantly feel behind. No matter how much they work, the store still feels unfinished, disorganized, or behind schedule. And over time, that creates constant pressure. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. After building the TPT store for over 17 years, I realized something important. Some stores quietly create perpetual catch-up cycles. And those cycles slowly drain your focus and your momentum. Reactive stores rarely feel complete because there's always another update, another idea, another optimization, another unfinished project, or another problem waiting. Eventually, the store starts operating through constant interruption. And interruption creates fragmentation. Attention keeps switching directions. Priorities keep shifting. Important work gets buried under urgent work. That's why some stores always feel like they're falling behind, even when the seller is working constantly. Because the problem is not always effort. Sometimes the operational structure itself is creating the overwhelm. Strong stores usually reduce friction, reactivity, and unnecessary complexity. That creates more stability, and stability creates clearer execution. I experienced this heavily during certain growth periods inside my own store, because as the store expanded, there were more products, more decisions, more moving parts, and more operational demands. I realized the store needed stronger systems, not simply more effort, because effort alone was no longer solving the problem. A store can appear successful while still operating in a constant state of operational catch-up. And long term, that becomes very difficult to sustain. Sometimes the feeling of being behind is not a time problem, it's a structure problem. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so that you can make clear growth decisions. Comment below to let me know if you ever feel caught up in your TPT store, or does it always feel like there's something unfinished? And now in the next video, I'm going to walk you through the monthly reset process that helps strong TPT stores stay strategic instead of reactive. I will see you in the next video.